Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is about this hairstyle today. Honey child, honey child. Do y'all see these edges though? Oh, okay. So, this is the get ready with me. I show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. I show you guys how I did this really simple makeup beat. We are going out for BAE's birthday. Woo, happy birthday, BAE. Oh, whatever, mind your business. Anyway, so if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle and how I did this quick, easy, everyday face, make sure you continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and comment down below. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know, sis. Join that flower gang, sis. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Hey y'all. Okay, so we're going in with our Eco Styler gel and our black gel, sis. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Eco Styler gel first. Excuse my little nasty chewing. I don't know why my life is like this, but it is. Alright, so I'm just holding my hair up into a ponytail because I do not want to regather my hair. But look at me, my arm. Ouch. My hair is so thick and I didn't stretch it out to do this style, which is the problem because it's just a lot of hair in between that. So those deep breaths are me because my arm hurt. Yo, I was struggling. Nah, I really was struggling. So this is my hard brush. I had to let it go, sis. I had to let it go. So now I'm brushing my hair upward to make sure that my hair lays flat into the ponytail. I want it to be very sleek. I'm holding my, I'm really struggling right now, y'all. My arm, well, before I even got on camera, I was holding it. That also explains it's not like, you know. Yeah, now. Okay. So once we've got that on, we're going to go ahead and put our headscarf on. You know that cheetah headscarf is my favorite, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and do makeup. I came a little closer, and we're going to start with the No Essence Poreblem from Touch and Soul. This combo is like one of my favorite primer combos, even though y'all know I love my Dr. Brand Luminizer, but I was beating it up, and I need more, and I haven't gone to Sephora to go get some yet. Okay, so this is my No Poreblem Primer. We're just going to put that on top of the other primer, and we're using my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and I'm just going to put that all over my T-zone area to set my primer. This will keep my face matte longer. When I do that process, I literally do not get that oiliness coming out of my skin because my skin gets very oily. So that's my Fenty Beauty in the number 350 Pro Filter Matte Concealer, sis. Foundation. Cannot use the hydrated one. I have not even attempted to buy it, try it, because I can't hydrate. I'm hydrated enough, sis. So those are my Morphe concealers. This is my favorite combo, the Morphe concealers with the Fenty Beauty. You guys seen me do this before. I don't really have to talk through it. And honestly, I'm not rushing right now, but I was rushing when I was doing this because I wanted to make sure that I was on time for my BAE's birthday to take him out to dinner. I had a reservation. Yeah. So now I'm going in with that darker color. Y'all know I like a really, really light highlight and a dark contour. I don't know. It just looks the best. I love a bright eye. I love a bright middle face. I love it. It oxidizes darker. I know I might look like a little pale person, but if you've seen my makeup before, you know it ends up looking like science. Okay? Okay. So, of course, with makeup, you want to blend. And, ooh, we went ahead and set our faces. We did our brows. First of all, the brows, sis, popping. Are you done? Popping. I love the way I do my brows. I've been loving the way I do my brows lately. I cleaned my brows up myself with my eyebrow razor, and now my brows is just giving everything. This is my True Complexion Contour Palette. It's a go-to. It's what I use. Contouring. Now I'm adding some blush from Black Radiance. The contour palette was also from Black Radiance. This blush is Toasted Almond. One of the better blushes. That's my Beauty Bakerie highlight. So glazed, icy, so icy illuminated and glazed. And this highlight, y'all, had this highlight for quite some time, and I really haven't even gone inside of it. That's how pigmented this is. Best highlight on the planet. I love it, y'all. Love it. So now I'm gonna go and set with my Black Radiance setting spray, excuse me. And now I'm using my Pink Manga Edge Control to lay my edges. So at first I didn't lay my edges because I wanted the gel to mold a little bit more. Instead of doing the edges and having everything mold at the same time. I don't know why. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. You could do it all at the same time, or you could do it this way. It doesn't really matter. It's literally the same outcome. Seriously. So I'm just using my brush. I didn't use an eyebrow brush because y'all should know I don't like baby hairs because my forehead is kind of small. And when I don't have a wig on, I actually want to show my forehead because, you know, it's only like 3 fingers, whatever. So I went ahead, finished the rest of my makeup and my lashes, put on my top that I was going to wear. And now I'm just trying to place the braid around my head that's going to show underneath the poof, the puff, the curly, the fro. Yeah. Whatever you want to call it. Now that's a curlable ponytail. My homegirl Diablo Verde sent it to me. I believe it's like $12 in real life or $10. So super cheap ponytail, and there it is. There she is. I just took the netting off, and now I'm just putting her on top of my head and just, you know, trying to make sure everything looks nice and neat. So I'm adjusting my braid because I just felt like the braid was a little bit too far down. I wanted it to be covered by the back of the ponytail. So that's what you see me doing right now. I'm just readjusting that, and I actually readjusted again. So, you know, I'm just trying to see if I like it. And I was like, it looked a little weird. So I went and readjusted it again, and there it is. This is how it looks. I love the final look of this. I do love the way I look when I do these kind of natural, queenly, goddessy styles. Like, they're super my favorite. I put some accessories in my hair. I love it. I hope you guys love it as well. I gotta run. I gotta go. It's time to go out. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can join this flower gang. We're about to start a movement, sis. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.